So YouTube is trying everything possible for all smaller YouTubers to also get the visibility. So now what YouTube is doing is that it allows smaller YouTubers to collaborate with big YouTube channels so that they can also get views, subscribers, and also make it on YouTube. In this video, we are going to learn how to collaborate with bigger YouTube channels that are in our niche so that we can get viewers from their channel and subscribers as well. So one importance of this is that if I collaborate with a bigger YouTube channel, my video will be shown on that particular channel. So those who visit that particular big channel would be scrolling on that channel, then they will find my video. It gives my video a big chance to be clicked. So I'll get views and subscribers from that particular channel. This is a very good feature that YouTube has brought. Now let's learn how we are going to do it and get views and subscribers from big channels that are doing well than our channel but in the same niche. I am Seven. If you are here, what I do is I talk about YouTube growth and how to make it on YouTube, how to get monetized, views and subscribers and all this. This is my new channel from my experience that I've gathered on YouTube over the years. I started this channel to also help other YouTubers to also make it. Subscribe to the channel and let's build a new family. Now let's get straight into it. So collaborating with other channels is very easier. You can do it either from the YouTube Studio side or YouTube Studio app. So with this one, let me just use the Studio app. Once you open the Studio app, just go straight to where your contents are. The contents icon is the second one. So you go to your contents, then you search your videos, the particular one that you would want to use. So let me use this one. You will tap on that particular video. When it comes like this, or when it appears like this, you tap on that pencil icon, that's edit. It is the same procedure with the YouTube side. You go to the same place, that's where your contents are. You select the video, then you go to where you're supposed to edit it, then you scroll downwards, so you see invite collaborator, and you just hit on it. When you come here, you just search the name of the channel that you are finding, but there are things that you must know. So first one is only you can make changes to the video. The person does not have any control over the video. That's the big channel that you're collaborating with. You don't have any control over the video. We will help your video reach your collaborators audience. Yeah, so this is why you must select a channel that's in your niche so that the viewers on that channel or the audience of that channel would watch your videos when they find it. Now the third thing is you keep all the revenue, views and watch time from the video. So nothing from this video is going to the other channel. So everything comes into your own account. Watch hours, views and finances or revenue, they are all coming back to you. Yeah, so you either search the channel's name or you search the channel's handle. I'm using my other channel to do it, and I'm searching the handle. Rather, the name of that channel is Seben, but the handle is the Seben. You see, that's it here. Seben, the Seben is the handle. So I tap on it, then allow analytics viewing. So if you take this, it means the person can watch or can see the analytics of that particular video, how the video is performing, but they are not going to have any revenue or whatever. The person can just know how the video is performing. So you open it. Please, if you don't want it, just don't open it. You just go for it to create a link. So after creating this link, you tap on it to copy. Mind you, you are going to send the link that you have created to the person. Let's say the channel that I'm collaborating with is Seben, so I'm going to send the link to Seben for Seben to approve it. And once Seben approves it, my video is going to be on his channel, and in this case Seben is myself, so I'm sending it to myself, then I approve it. So I'll show you evidence that the video will come to my other channel. So hold on and let me show you how it is done. So this is how the particular person is going to see it. So I am Seben, invited you to collaborate on upload like this and the algorithm blah 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 blah. So you are telling the other channel that I invited them to collaborate with me. So if the owner of the channel wants, then he accepts. So let me accept. So that's it. You are now collaborating with Seben. Find it under blah 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 blah. So now let's go and check Seben on YouTube and see. So these are some of my videos popular videos, these are recent ones, then posts, then collaborations. So every collaboration that's done with me, the video will come here. That is as simple as that. So if someone comes to my channel to find stuff to watch, then keeps scrolling and comes down here to meet this video, then they watch it. This strategy, the reverse of it, is even more better. So what happens is, if I collaborate with a big channel, my video goes to their page, and if anyone scrolls to where my video is, they would watch it. But what happens is, if my own audience are watching my video, they will see that I have collaborated with another channel. So it gives them the chance to tap on it and check the channel that I collaborated with. So the best thing is, you can also speak with a bigger channel to collaborate with you rather, so that their video will come to your channel. And when they collaborate with you, since they have more audience, when the audience are watching the particular video, your channel logo is going to show that particular channel, that particular big channel collaborated with you. It gives the viewers or the audience chance to hit on your channel's logo to check the particular channel that the big channel collaborated with. It rather sends audience or viewers to your channel. I think that is even better than you collaborating with a bigger channel. So you can speak with a bigger channel for the channel to collaborate with you. That's also another way to go. If you didn't get anything well, tell me at the comment section so that I'm going to be clear for you. So that's how collaborations work. Make sure you find someone who is in the same niche as you, so that once they see your video, they are going to watch it. They will be interested to watch, since you do the same thing with their channel. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, then subscribe to the channel and wait for more, as I am bringing you more. There are more other videos on this channel too. Videos on how to set up your channel afresh when you are starting, so that YouTube can find you or what you do and suggest your videos to the necessary viewers. Videos like when to upload on YouTube and how to upload on YouTube and more other stuff. So search on this channel. If you don't get whatever you need, comment it and I'm going to talk about it. We are going to learn more. Let's meet some other time.